In a lovely world under the sea lived Bonnie the Bunnyfish, happy as can be. With a bunny's fluffy tail and fishy fins, she hopped and swam full of grins. Bonnie loved to explore the ocean deep, where the colourful corals quietly sleep. She'd hop over waves with a splash and a swish, playing tag with the fish, as was her wish. But Bonnie had a dream so big and bright, to find a magical treasure, a wonderful sight, a pearl shining under the moon's soft glow, hidden in the sea where the brave fish go. Each day Bonnie would search and roam through underwater caves and her ocean home. She asked her friends, the crabs and whales, "Have you seen the pearl on your ocean trails?" But then one sunny day, by the coral so grand, Bonnie met Sally the Seahorse near the sand. "Hello," bubbled Bonnie, with a wiggle like a fish. "Do you know where I can find my wish?" Sally nodded and said, "Follow me, I'll show you the pearl under the sea." Together they swam through the water so blue to a hidden spot known only to a few. And there in the sand, shining so bright, was the pearl, glowing with light. Bonnie's eyes sparkled, her heart filled with glee. The pearl was more beautiful than she thought it could be. She thanked Sally and together they played in the ocean waves all through the day. So remember Bonnie the Bunnyfish so fine, with her ocean treasure forever to shine. Let us know if you like the story.